Hi everyone, and welcome to this English Made Simple course, which is going to teach you the vocabulary you need to describe appearances. Now, what I thought I would do in this promotional video is actually show you one of the lectures so you know what to expect from the course. Now, if you watch your screens carefully, I'm going to introduce the word bald to you. If you can see me, you will notice that I look a little bit like the man in the photograph because someone who has no hair is bald. Okay, so there we have the definition of bald, and now I'm going to give you an example. James is bald. Annie is bald. How about this conversation between Tom and Alice? Do you find bald men attractive, Alice? I have to be honest, I prefer men with hair. Well, that's very unfortunate, but you, the student, now know what to expect from this course. We will introduce the new piece of vocabulary, we will then give you the definition, and then you will be provided with some examples so you can understand the word in context. And like all English Made Simple courses, there will be questions throughout to help you test your knowledge as you progress. So thank you for choosing this course. If you have any questions or feedback, please just send me a message and I'll respond as soon as I can.